Hey guys, hope you all had an ultimate week. In today's video, we'll be trying out something which has been trending on the internet for a while now. So that is nothing but slime. We all know about slime. It's squishy, it's fun to play with, a stress reliever. It doesn't create much of a mess to make. It is easy to make also, and now we'll learn how to make one. So before we go into that, Happy New Year to all of you out there. I hope we can kickstart 2021 with good vibes, happy vibes, and we can get out of this pandemic as soon as possible. So yeah, with that, we shall get on to making slime. Today we'll be making some clear slime. Now let's look into the materials we require for doing so. First, you'll need a container to make the slime with a spoon or spatula. Then you'll need the slime activator. I made mine using hot water and borax. First, I took 1.5 cups of hot water. Then I mixed 2 to 3 teaspoonfuls of borax powder into the hot water. Then you can easily get some slime activator. Then I have a dropper. As I am doing the clear slime, I have clear glue and some water. This is how borax looks like. It's a white powder. You can get it in retail stores and laboratories too. So yeah. Now let's move on to the making process. First, I take some glue and pour it into my container. I know what makes this work easier. Just take off the cap and pour some inside. Next, you take some water and then pour the same amount of glue you poured into the container. Next, you mix this well. This is how my mixture looks like. You need to mix it thoroughly. Next, you take some activator and pour a little bit at once and mix it well. As you pour in the activator, you can see that the slime is kind of thickening and solidifying. So now I have this jiggly sort of mixture here. It sounds satisfying. Yeah, it does. Now you need to get your hands to work. First, take some of this slime and then you will have to knead it in your hands. Kind of breaks apart in the first. After kneading, it will be okay. Now that we made some amazing slime, we'll look into what is the science behind slime. So when we make slime, we use PVA glue. What does PVA stand for? Polyvinyl acetate. Polyvinyl acetate is a polymer present in glue. Glue flows when these form a chain and flow. Polymer is a single atom or molecule. When this PVA reacts with borate in borax plus water activator, they both solidify slightly to form slime. So we all know that slime is neither a solid nor a liquid. So yeah, this is the result of the chemical reaction between PVA and borate. Hope you all enjoyed this week's video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the Science Orb for quality content from my side. Bye.